Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on TikTok Shop. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use your Cash App or you want to pay using your Cash App on a TikTok Shop, so what you can do firstly, just open up your TikTok. So open up your TikTok, and then when you get to logged in, so once you're logged into your account, so what you can do, you're going to go and search for whatever item that you want to purchase. So just search that, and then here, as you know, you can just select the shop option here. Since I don't have access to shop, it's not available, it's not visible here, so you just select the shop, and then select the item or the video that you wish to purchase, just add it to your cart, and then get to the payment page there. So once you get to the payment page, all you have to do is go to your Cash App, and then open up your Cash App and log into your Cash App account. So once you've logged into your Cash App account, all you have to do is hit on this cards tab here. So click on the cards tab to view your cash card. So click on it, and then you'll be able to view your cash card. So your cash card is simply similar to your bank card. It's a debit Visa card similar to bank card. So that you'll get your, if you select it, you'll get the details of your card. So you're going to simply use that card to make the payment on TikTok. So when you proceed to checkout, so under payment method, you can use card, and for card you can just provide the details of your Cash App card and complete the transaction. So this is how you can use Cash App on TikTok Shop through the cash card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.